Welcome to Learning Lane, where curiosity meets the world. Today we're exploring the complete geography of Australia, so grab a seat and let's dive in. Australia is a vast and diverse country, comprising 6 states and 2 territories. The states are New South Wales, Victoria, Queensland, South Australia, Western Australia, and Tasmania. Each state has its own unique geography, climate, and culture. New South Wales is the most populous state, with the iconic city of Sydney as its capital. Victoria is known for its vibrant city of Melbourne, while Queensland is famous for its beautiful beaches and tropical climate. South Australia is home to the famous wine region of the Barossa Valley, and Western Australia is known for its vast deserts and mining industry. Tasmania is an island state, with a rugged and mountainous terrain. Australia's population is concentrated in the eastern states, with the majority of people living in urban areas. The country has a diverse range of climates, from the tropical north to the temperate south. The northern region of Australia is characterized by a tropical monsoon climate, with high temperatures and high levels of rainfall. The central region is a vast desert, with very little rainfall and extreme temperatures. The southern region has a temperate climate, with mild winters and cool summers. Australia is also home to some of the world's most unique and diverse natural features, including the Great Barrier Reef, the world's largest coral reef system. The country is also home to the famous Uluru Rock, also known as Ayers Rock, which is a sacred site for the indigenous Anangu people. The Great Dividing Range is a major mountain range that runs along the eastern coast of Australia and is home to some of the country's most beautiful national parks and forests. The country's climate is also influenced by its geography, with the mountain ranges creating a rain shadow effect that results in dry deserts on the western side. Australia's geography has also played a major role in shaping the country's history and culture, with the indigenous people developing a deep connection with the land over thousands of years. The arrival of European settlers had a significant impact on the country's geography, with the introduction of new technologies and farming practices that altered the landscape. Today, Australia is a thriving country, with a strong economy and a high standard of living. The country's geography continues to play an important role in its development, with the mining industry being a major contributor to the economy. In conclusion, the geography of Australia is a complex and fascinating topic, with a diverse range of climates, landscapes, and natural features. From the tropical north to the temperate south, Australia is a country that is full of surprises and wonders. Thanks so much for learning with us today. If this helped you see the world a little differently, give it a like, share it with a friend, and subscribe to Learning Lane for more, and tap the bell so you never miss a lesson.